Alright, so we're here to pick up my car, and they haven't seen me yet. This is right at 3248 West Colonial Drive. This is low price auto glass, and you can see the phone number there, 407-290-3333. Now let's walk inside and see what's going on in here. You can see that they accept credit card and everything. And
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing good. I'm Edward Lynham, here to pick up that Acura RSX out there.
Yes, sir.
And this is the owner, Paul, taking some pictures of my Acura. The owner of Low Price Auto Glass.
Yeah. Why is he only saying 8?
This is the shop. This is where they get all the work done here. And they're actually about to be moving pretty soon. So this temporary location, as you can see, they work on about, they can put a lot of cars in here. (3248) West Colonial Drive. And Paul says it's a little messy in here, but we know that this is a mechanic shop. But it doesn't look that bad to me. Paul, looks pretty good in here to me.
It's dirty.
You know? So this is it, 3248 West Colonial Drive. So where you come to get your auto glass done. What else can they get done here, Paul?
Music, wheels, tint, paint, body, mechanic, wraps, wheels, and tires.
All right, and you're moving pretty soon?
We're gonna move across the street to the old Jiffy Lube building.
Okay, and y'all know the Jiffy Lube that's next to the McDonald's, or?
It's in the same plaza as the old Winn-Dixie and the Walmart, the KFC, or the Winn-Dixie, old Winn-Dixie building with the KFC Taco Bell.
Right on the corner of West Colonial and
John Young.
Right next to
The church,
McDonald's.
next to the church, yeah, across from the church and the departments.
Right on, all right.
Yes, sir.